Presented by hrwala.com. Labor law in India. Safeguarding rights, ensuring compliance, and promoting fair workplaces. Brought to you by hrwala.com. The primary challenge for most organizations is navigating labor law compliance, which poses significant risks to large investments and the overall business, if not properly managed. The major problem statement for all type of organizations in India is the complex landscape of labor laws in India poses challenges for organizations in ensuring compliance, and failure to do so can lead to legal, financial, and reputational risks, along with negative impacts on employee welfare. Compliance with labor laws in India is critical for ensuring employee welfare, operational efficiency, and legal protection for organizations. By adhering to the laws governing wages, working conditions, benefits, and safety, companies can protect themselves from penalties and foster a positive work culture. Below is a detailed 10-point compliance framework, with each point further elaborated to offer actionable insights. Understanding applicable labor laws. Identify relevant laws. Recognize the laws that apply to your industry and region, including the Minimum Wages Act, Factories Act, and Industrial Disputes Act. These laws vary by sector and geographical location. Stay informed of amendments. Labor laws are frequently updated, such as the transition to the 4 new labor codes in 2020 to 21. Keeping up with these changes ensures ongoing compliance. Consult legal experts. Regular consultations with labor law experts or legal counsel can help interpret complex regulations and provide guidance on how to implement them within the organization. Developing robust HR policies. Create clear policies. Formulate policies on working hours, overtime, employee benefits, and leave entitlements. Ensure they are accessible and understandable to all employees. Align policies with laws. Regularly compare internal HR policies with labor laws to make necessary adjustments, ensuring all company policies are legally compliant. Periodic reviews. Policies should be reviewed annually to adapt to new legal requirements, industry trends, and employee feedback. Before proceeding to the next point, we request you to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and visit our website www.hrwala.com. Maintaining accurate employee records. Comprehensive documentation. Maintain detailed records of employee attendance, wages, leave, and overtime in compliance with the Payment of Wages Act and other relevant laws. Automate record keeping. Implement HR software or digital tools to automatically track attendance, salaries, and statutory deductions, minimizing errors. Ensure availability for audits. Keep records organized and up to date, as they may be required for audits by labor inspectors or other regulatory authorities. Ensuring compliance with wages and benefits. Adhere to wage laws. Ensure wages meet or exceed the minimum wages prescribed by law. Keep track of local or state-specific wage requirements, which can differ. On-time payments, salaries, and statutory contributions like Employee Provident Fund, EPF, and Employee State Insurance, ESI, must be paid within the legal deadlines. Monitor statutory benefits. Regularly review compliance with mandatory benefits such as ESI, EPF, and gratuity payments, ensuring all eligible employees are covered. Training employees and managers. Legal awareness programs. Conduct regular training programs to inform employees and managers about their rights and obligations under Indian labor laws. Role-specific training. Managers should be trained on laws specific to their responsibilities, such as overtime regulations, grievance redressal, and health and safety guidelines. Continuous education. Keep training ongoing to accommodate new hires and update employees on amendments or new labor law provisions. Health, safety, and welfare. Comply with safety standards. Ensure workplace safety is maintained per the Factories Act and Occupational Safety, Health, and Working Conditions Code. This includes providing proper safety equipment and adhering to safety protocols. Regular safety audits. Conduct regular safety inspections and drills to identify potential hazards and mitigate risks, particularly in industries like construction and manufacturing. Employee welfare initiatives. Provide welfare measures such as clean drinking water, restroom facilities, and medical facilities as required by the Factories Act and similar regulations. Managing industrial relations. Establish communication channels. Create structured communication pathways between employees and management to address grievances, preventing disputes from escalating. A grievance redressal mechanisms. Implement a formal grievance handling system as required by labor laws, ensuring fair and timely resolutions. Engage with trade unions. If unions are active, maintain regular dialogue to negotiate labor contracts and settle disputes in accordance with the Industrial Disputes Act. Conducting regular audits. Internal compliance audits. Schedule regular audits to ensure the company adheres to all statutory obligations, identifying any gaps in compliance early. Corrective measures. Use audit results to make improvements in areas like wage payments, health and safety protocols, or documentation practices. Third-party audits. Engage external auditors to provide an objective evaluation of the company's compliance, offering additional insights and recommendations. Handling disciplinary actions legally. A due process for disciplinary actions. Follow a legally compliant process for disciplinary actions, including issuing warnings, conducting investigations, and ensuring fair hearings. Document all actions. Maintain clear records of any disciplinary measures taken, including written warnings and evidence, to avoid legal challenges. Ensure fair dismissals. When terminating employment, follow procedures set forth in the Industrial Disputes Act and ensure adequate notice and severance are provided. Hope you now have a clear understanding of labor compliance activities. Stay tuned to this channel for insights on specific labor laws. Staying updated with law amendments. Monitor legal reforms. Keep track of amendments in labor laws, such as the introduction of new labor codes that consolidate 29 central laws into 4 categories affecting wages, social security, industrial relations, and occupational safety. Adapt policies to changes. Modify internal policies and practices to reflect changes in labor law, ensuring immediate implementation once new regulations take effect. A legal counsel consultation. Regularly engage with labor law specialists to get professional advice on adapting to new laws or regulations. By following this 10-point framework, organizations can ensure that they remain compliant with Indian labor laws, foster a positive working environment, and avoid legal repercussions. Each of these steps offers a pathway to not only staying within the law, but also promoting a fair and equitable workplace for employees.
Thank you for watching this video. Hope you liked it and understood it. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video.